Hey, hope you guys are doing well. We are going to start a new little series called Microbites. These are going to be little episodes that drop in between the big episodes. These are little tidbits, little microbites of information that'll inject some chutzpah into your day. I want to make you productive, not busy. So we're going to drop these little dimes on you to make you more productive, free up some time, make you more money, save you some stress. Here's the first episode. You guys have a great day. Thanks. Okay, I'm bringing the microbite sections back for season 4. And here is my microbite for the day. Don't be afraid to outshine others. Your success doesn't diminish theirs, it inspires them. It's important to recognize that personal success and achievements don't have to come at the expense of others. In fact, success can often be contagious and inspiring to those people that work with you. So when you excel in your chosen field or reach your goals, it can motivate and encourage others to strive for their own success. So by focusing on your growth and pursuing your excellence, you become a role model and demonstrate what is possible. Your achievement can inspire others to set higher standards, push their boundaries, and pursue their dreams and aspirations. Sharing your knowledge, experiences, and insights can also contribute to the overall development and success of the entire community. So it's essential to remember that success is not a finite resource. Mindset, attitude, effort, success. There's no one handing it out the door, man. There's plenty to go around. It's infinite. The world is full of opportunities, and one person's achievement do not diminish the potential for all the others to succeed. So instead, by embracing your own success and striving for your own excellence, you can create a positive ripple effect, encouraging others to aim higher and achieve what you've achieved. Hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, take care, sell a bunch, say something nice.